I'm enamored with the rhythm of existence, seeing clearer through a lens of newfound distance. Golden light upon my skin feels like a witness to the moment I awaken into this. Every color carries deeper definition, every breath a quiet act of intuition. I release the weight of past inhibition. Now I'm standing in a higher disposition. There's a shift within my spirit, something opening, like the universe aligning, softly whispering. Begin again. Oh, begin again. Let it in. Oh, let it in. Every path unfolds a story yet unspoken. Every turn reveals a truth that's been unbroken. I am not the shadow version I outgrew. I am everything I never thought I knew. Moving freely with the gravity of purpose. Every heartbeat like a drum beneath the surface. If you feel it, you don't have to overthink it. Just dissolve into the rhythm, don't resist it. There's a fire in my chest, it's undeniable.